Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install ArcGIS desktop setting. So first of all, you need to install ArcGIS desktop. Double click on this icon, click on next, and it will extract data for installation, so wait some second. So when you click on close, it will launch the setup program. It will ask for admin permission, so click on yes. It is now preparing to install. It is checking computer system requirement, and now click on next. Mark I accept the license agreement, click on next. We need to install it complete with all features including ArcGIS desktop extension also will be installed, so click on next, click on next, and now click on install. The installation process will take 20 to 30 minutes, so now I am pausing video. After the finishing of this process, click on finish. Click on this and OK. Click on OK. Now you need to install the license manager, so double click on this, click on next. It is extracting file for installation process. Click on close. Click on yes to give the permission to install. Actually, I have already installed it, so I will click on repair. You need to click on install. Click on install. It will take some time, so I am pausing my video. Stay with us. As the installation installed successfully, click on finish. Now you need to install the crack of this application. So first of all, you need to disable the antivirus. So go to Windows Security. Here click on virus and threat protection. Now find the virus and threat protection setting. So you need to manage the settings. As you see, real-time protection, so disable this option. Now close this window. Now first page this, click on next, next, next and start. Click on exit. Now page this, yes, next, 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 next and start. Exit. Now it is requiring the start immediately, or you can install later. So all the installed option will come into effect, or they start processing. So I will do start later. Now I am exit. Now you need to install Hydro tools. So double click on this. Next, mark accept the license agreement. Next, next and next. It will also take some time, so again I am pausing my video. This installation process is also completed, so click on finish. Exiting. Now you need to start your computer. I will start later. And these are the tools that are installed. So you will use ArcMap mostly to analyze any map. You will download your map from net. As it is a heavy software, so it will take some time to start. Again I am pausing my video. After opening, you will see this user interface. Thanks for watching.